So Krishna is giving very good instruction. Yes, stay home, do your duties, and think of me. So he practiced with the gopis. So later, when he met Arjuna on the battlefield, he said the same thing. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu ma manushmar yudhyacha. Mayarpita goes on like that. He says, you do your fighting, Arjuna, you shoot your arrows, but you think of me. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mam anusmara yudhyacha. Tasmat sarveshu sarvakal. At all times, tasmat sarveshu kaleshu, mam anu smaran, mam anu smaran, smaran. Remember me, anu, moment after moment. So this he's fighting on the battlefield, Yudhya, Yudhisthira, Kurukshetra. But Krishna is telling him, shoot arrows, destroy the forces of irreligion. At the same time, think of me. So this proves that our working senses can be engaged in one way, while our knowledge-acquiring senses or our mind can be engaged in another way. So as Arjuna is doing his work, his dharma, his ashram karma and his varna karma, he's setting the example. Do your work, but think of Krishna. His work was shooting arrows and defeating enemy soldiers. Our work is washing the dishes. Our work is making an order on the phone. Our work is selling our products. Our work is so many different things. So this is the principle that Krishna is teaching in Gita, which he was trying to teach to the gopis in chapter 29. Go home and do your varna dharma. Go home and do your ashram dharma. And think of me. This is gyan. But bhakti is something different. We also think of Krishna, but they're thinking that they've already done all the meditation. The whole goal of bhakti bhajan is to see Krishna and to love Krishna. And they're there. They've attained Krishna. So there's no going back for them.